Welcome to Tank Brick Studio. In this video, I'll share how I put together a Griffin White Knight for my King's Guard. This is a flying unit and serves as the Air Force of the King's Guard. Only the most elite knights can become Griffin Riders. They scout distant areas, provide intelligence and security for the army, and travel quickly to relay commands and communication across the battlefield. As an air unit, their primary role is to counter and take down enemy air units, such as dragons and falcon riders. My King's Guard army is mostly in golden armor, so I made these Griffin Knights in white to stand out. Here's a look at my main King's Guard army, which is part of my Lion Knights army. This was introduced in an earlier video, do check that out. I'll be making 5 of these White Knights. Here's a closer look. The body armor, helmet, visor, and sword come from the old Castle Tic-Tac tool set. You can check out my unboxing video on that set. Since the armor is slightly yellowish, I found that matching it with white makes the yellowing less noticeable. I also avoid using gray or metallic parts, as they tend to highlight the discoloration. For the main body, I use the torso from the Thor, Love and Thunder sets, specifically from the character Gore the God Butcher. Since I had multiple copies of that set, repurposing these duplicate minifigures for my White Knights was perfect. Here's how the White Knight compares to the rest of the army. Let's take a closer look. Notice how the crown symbol on all of them matches, visually indicating that they belong to the same army or faction. Besides the additional white cape, I also gave them the same shield for a more cohesive look. Now, onto the Griffin. It's a rare piece, only available in Harry Potter sets. A good way to get one is through Harry Potter set 76432. Which also comes with great parts for building trees. The Griffin is very similar in size to a horse. It features flat metallic wings clipped onto the sides, which can be flipped and posed at different angles. Since I needed 5 Griffins for my 5 White Knights, I bought multiple sets when they were on discount. Now let's open this set to extract the Griffin and complete my second Griffin White Knight. Interestingly, the Griffin wasn't in a plastic bag, it was loosely packed inside the box. The legs are fixed and non-posable. The body has a 2x2 opening, unlike a horse, which has a 1x2 opening. Now let's find the parts to build the wings. We need to insert 2 white modified plates into the body opening, and then attach the wings onto them. Unlike riding a horse, where the minifigure stands, the rider must be seated on the Griffin to fit properly. And that's it, my second Griffin White Knight is ready for battle. I ran out of matching shields, and they actually obstruct the wings, so I decided that these Griffin White Knights won't carry shields. I'm still experimenting with the best wing pose when the Griffin is not in flight. Wings up cover the knight, making it look like it's about to take off. Wings down take up too much space, Wings spread to the sides is the perfect pose for flight. Here, I'm just imagining them soaring through the sky. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. And be sure to check out my other videos on my Lion Knights and Dragon Knights armies. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel for more updates in the future. Thanks, and I hope to see you again.